Where is the hospital?
We are at the site of construction which previously had a clinic serving the people of Parklands. This land has since been alienated and given to a private contractor who is putting up flats. So we are here to find out whether due process was ever followed, because from the stories we've gathered, which we are now going to seek more information, from the stories we've gathered is that due process has not been followed. This was public land. There is no record anywhere showing that there was a resolution by the council to dispose of it. There's a rumor that, that some compensation has been given to the county.
This is a clinic where I used to come when I was young. I was treated in this clinic here. But today, some thugs, land grabbers posing to be private developers have taken up the land, and we can see some high-rise apartments coming up by the client. We can see Elmi Afra Properties. It seems in Nairobi now it's fashionable to steal public land because there is nothing being done. Body came and stormed here, and they had not started building. And we know very well, for you to start building in this city, you have to get approvals from NMS, because planning and development now is under NMS. So it is the same body actually who gave a go-ahead for this building.
The problem with this country, as my colleagues have said, is that things happen in a very shoddy manner. What shocks me is that if things were done properly here and the client got the land in the rightful manner, we are coming to visit to inquire why is the place locked. I'm told this place had a problem for a long time. Fine, no problem. But how do you compensate one land with another? One public land with another? That's very interesting by itself.